Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs on a griddle. First, ensure your griddle is preheated to between 325 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for even cooking. Next, whisk 2 to 3 large eggs per person in a bowl, adding a small splash of milk or cream for extra fluffiness. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper to season your eggs perfectly. Once your griddle is hot, lightly grease the surface with a small amount of butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. Now, carefully pour your whisked egg mixture directly onto the griddle. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 15 to 20 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. This initial setting period is crucial for creating those soft, fluffy curds we all love in scrambled eggs. After the initial set, use a flexible spatula to gently push the cooked edges of the eggs towards the center. Continue this folding and stirring motion, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Keep scrambling until the eggs are mostly set but still appear slightly moist. This technique ensures a creamy, tender texture, avoiding dry or rubbery results. Remember, they will continue to cook slightly after removal. As soon as your scrambled eggs reach that perfect, slightly moist consistency, remove them from the griddle and transfer them directly to a plate. Serve them immediately with your favorite breakfast sides, like toast or bacon. For an extra touch of richness and shine, you can fold in about 1 tablespoon of cold butter right before serving. This simple trick adds a luxurious finish to your griddle-made scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.